Jai Janardhan student. Today I am taking a brief revision of the first grammar topic, that is a sentence. As you know, the sentence means a group of words which makes complete sense or a complete meaning. These sentences are divided into the four kinds. The first kind of sentence is assertive sentence. Second kind of sentence is interrogative sentence. Third kind of sentence is imperative sentence. And fourth kind of sentence is exclamatory sentence. On the screen, I have written about the assertive sentence. So, the first kind of sentence is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence means sentence which start with the capital letter and ends with the full stop. Here I have highlighted that. And assertive sentence conveys the information and makes a statement. For example, I am a teacher. You are a student. These two sentences or examples are telling that this gives us a information about the statement. This assertive sentence divided into the two kinds. Affirmative sentence, that we called it is a positive, and the second kind of assertive is negative. Affirmative sentence means a statement or a sentence which gives the positive meaning. It's called the affirmative, and the negative statement means a sentence which gives us a negative meaning. You can see here that how it is given by the use of not, the negative statement is shown. So assertive sentence is a sentence which start with the capital letter and ends with the full stop. The second kind of sentence is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is a sentence which start with capital letter and end with the question mark. And it in interrogative sentence all sorts of questions are coming. This interrogative sentence divided into the two kind of sentence. First it is WH type of sentence and the second is verbal kind of sentence or interrogative sentence we can call. WH type of interrogative means a question we start with the all WH words. For example, what, where, when, how, who, why, etc. And the verbal kind of interrogative means a question we start with the verb. For example, am, is, are, was, were, have, has, do, does, did. Such kind of verbs are used to ask the question. So such questions are asked. Such questions are called verbal kind of question. Third kind of sentence is imperative sentence. A sentence which start with the capital letter and ends with the full stop is called the imperative sentence. Imperative sentence gives us instructions, advice, command, order, directions or a request. These imperatives are again divided into the two kinds, positive imperative and negative imperative. A sentence which gives us a positive statement or positive meaning is called the positive imperative. In the example you can see open the book. And a sentence which gives us a negative meaning or negation, that sentence we call the negative imperative. The a special note about the imperative sentence is that mostly imperative sentence doesn't carry the subject, but it always present into the sentence in a hidden form, and that subject is always you. See here I have highlighted. So such a kind of sentence are called the imperative sentence. Fourth one is the exclamatory sentence. A sentence which start with the capital letter and end with exclamation marks. In the page I have highlighted that. It expresses the strong feelings and emotion of the speaker. Usually exclamatory sentence start with the what or how, and sometime it presented by the use of interjection such as oh, bravo, hooray. So exclamatory sentence start with the capital letter and ends with the exclamation marks. Such kind of here all four kinds explanation is over. From the next in the next video I am explaining briefly the kinds of sentence with the help of T diagram. Just listen it.
Janardhan student, already in this video I explained you each kind of the sentence very clearly, but briefly as a summary I am explaining you the all kinds of the sentence in a T diagram form. You know very well, sentence means a group of words which start with the capital letter and end with the different punctuation mark, like full stop, question mark, exclamatory marks. Such a kind of marks your sentences will end. The first kind of sentence is assertive. Assertive sentence, you can call it as a simple, you can call it as statement, you can call it as declarative. It start with the capital letter, end with the full stop. It divide into it has two kinds, affirmative and negative. To the affirmative only you can call it as a positive assertive. Second kind of sentence is interrogative. All sort of questions comes into the interrogative sentence. It start with a capital letter and end with the question mark. Interrogative divide into the two kinds. One it is WH type of interrogative and one it is verbal type of interrogative. The third kind of sentence is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence again carries two kinds, two types. First one it is positive imperative and second it is a negative imperative. And the fourth one it is a exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence mostly start with how or what or of, bravo, such a interjection also the part of the exclamatory sentence. So this is the brief summary of the kinds of the sentence. I think you understood very well. Thank you. Have a nice.
So in this way, here I have revised the sentence topic. Go through it and be ready for the online test on the sentence topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.